This video will demonstrate how to use the Notes function in the transcription view of papers of the War Department. For information on creating an account and transcribing documents, see our videos Transcribing the Papers of the War Department, Parts 1 and 2. Many of the items available for transcription can be difficult to decipher, either because of the handwriting, document quality, or both. This is why we included a Notes function for each page. The Notes function acts as a kind of discussion board where users can discuss and collaboratively decipher certain parts of a document. The editorial team can also respond to user inquiries here when necessary. To get to the Notes function, first choose a document out of the list that you'd like to make a note on. Then navigate to the particular page that you have a question about. To do this, click on either the thumbnail or the title of the page, not on Transcribe. Finally, clicking on View Notes in the navigation menu will bring you to the Notes section for that particular page. If any notes have been added, they will be displayed on the right side of the screen. This page does not have any notes yet, so let's add one. To do so, click Edit. This will bring you to the Notes editing page. This page looks similar to the transcription view, but has a distinct functionality. First, under the image viewer, you will see any saved transcription text in case you need to reference this in your note. On the right, you will see some explanatory text above the text editor, indicating that you are indeed in the notes and not the transcription section. You can add your notes in the main text editor. In this case, I have a question about one of the words in the very first line of the letter. After you're done typing your note, be sure to click the Signature button in the text toolbar. This will add a timestamp that includes your username as well as the date and time of your note. Because all users enter their notes into the same text field, this feature allows you to identify when each comment was added and by who. Once you're finished adding your note, you can include a summary of your changes. And then click Save. Your note will appear on the right side of the page, followed by your timestamp. Any responses to your note will also be included here. It's a good idea to also track any media that you've left a note on, so that you can easily return to the conversation. Use the Notes section to ask your own questions and to help answer the questions of others in the Papers of the War Department community.